Hey guys, brief video on how my system looks at night with the pulsating start button. So first you unlock the doors, disarms the system, get in. First button is accessories, it turns blue. Second button is ignition, it turns red, also turns on the start button. A nice fade in and fade out there. And then clutch in, hit the start button, and turns on the engine. And to turn off the pulsing, just turn your headlamps, and it turns off. Turn off the headlamps, and it comes back on. So, turn off, you just hit the red button, and then turn off the accessories.